The glowing plankton, a survival mechanism. In the vast mysterious depths of the world's oceans, one of the most enchanting and elusive phenomena is the bioluminescence of plankton. These tiny, often microscopic organisms emit light, creating glowing displays in the water that have captivated scientists and sailors for centuries. But this glowing ability is more than just a beautiful spectacle. It's a critical survival mechanism that helps plankton navigate the challenges of life in the ocean. Let's dive deeper into how glowing plankton use bioluminescence to survive, and he was instructed to do so in his experiment. What are bioluminescent plankton? Plankton are tiny drifting organisms that form the foundation of the ocean's food web. They come in two main types: phytoplankton. These are plant-like organisms that carry out photosynthesis, producing oxygen and serving as the primary food source for marine life. They are often the smallest organisms in the ocean, but are incredibly abundant. Zooplankton. These are animal plankton that feed on phytoplankton and other small organisms. Zooplankton can range from microscopic to the size of a small shrimp, and they often serve as prey for larger marine creatures. Both phytoplankton and zooplankton can be bioluminescent, meaning they have the ability to produce light through a chemical reaction within their bodies. The science behind bioluminescence in plankton. Bioluminescence in plankton is the result of a chemical reaction between a light-emitting molecule called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. When luciferin interacts with oxygen, it produces light. This reaction is often referred to as a cold light because it generates very little heat, making it different from other light sources like fire or electricity, luciferin, and luciferase. Luciferin is the molecule that produces the light, and luciferase is the enzyme that accelerates the reaction, causing luciferin to release energy in the form of visible light. Light emitted by bioluminescent plankton is usually blue or green, as these wavelengths of light travel the farthest through water. This is especially helpful in the dim or dark depths of the ocean. Why do plankton glow? Bioluminescence in plankton serves several critical functions that enhance their survival in the ocean's often harsh and dangerous environment. The glow is not just for show, it is a vital tool for survival. One of the primary reasons plankton produce light is to protect themselves from predators. When threatened, many bioluminescent plankton emit a burst of light, creating a dazzling display in the water. This sudden glow can startle or confuse predators, giving the plankton a chance to escape. Distraction and confusion. The glow can temporarily blind or confuse predators, making it difficult for them to locate or track the plankton. This mechanism is particularly useful for plankton that have few other defenses. Some species of bioluminescent plankton may emit light to attract larger predators, such as fish, that prey on their own attackers. This can serve as a form of indirect defense, as larger fish may chase off the smaller predators threatening the plankton. Two, camouflage. In the dark depths of the ocean, where sunlight cannot reach, bioluminescence helps plankton blend into the faint light from above. When plankton emit a soft glow, they can resemble the dim, scattered light filtering down from the surface, making them less visible to predators lurking below. Counter-illumination. This form of camouflage is known as counter-illumination, where the plankton's light matches the light above, effectively hiding them from predators that may be looking up from below. 3. Communication and mating. In the dense populations of plankton, biolumination is continued when the plankton arrives. In the dense populations of plankton, biolumination serves a form of communication. Some plankton species emit light to signal to others in their community, particularly during mating, attracting mates. Certain species of plankton use bioluminescence to attract mates, signaling their presence through glowing patterns. This helps them locate others of the same species in the vast ocean's social behavior. Some plankton species synchronize their light displays, flashing in unison to create dramatic coordinated light shows. These synchronized patterns may play a role in attracting mates or deterring predators through a mob effect. Four, food attraction. Bioluminescence can also be a strategy for attracting food. Some bioluminescent plankton use their glow to lure smaller prey organisms toward them, where they can then be trapped and consumed. Luring prey. Some bioluminescent plankton release glowing particles or pulses of light that attract other smaller plankton. Once the prey approaches, the glowing plankton capture them with their sticky appendages or by other means. The role of bioluminescent plankton in the ecosystem. Bioluminescent plankton play an essential role in the health of marine ecosystems. As one of the most abundant life forms in the ocean, they are an integral part of the food web, supporting marine life. Phytoplankton, which produce oxygen through photosynthesis, form the base of the food chain. Zooplankton, which feed on phytoplankton, in turn provide food for larger fish, whales, and other marine animals. The bioluminescent properties of plankton help them survive and continue supporting the entire food web. Marinizing in food web category, whether it is for the excretable barrier between the site of visible light, protein, mineral substrate and food sources, creating a dynamic system that impacts the movement, feeding and behavior of other marine organisms. Where can you see glowing plankton? Glowing plankton are typically found in coastal waters, especially in warm, nutrient-rich areas. They are most commonly seen in places known for bioluminescent bays, or phytoplankton blooms, where large numbers of plankton congregate in the water. Some of the most famous places where bioluminescent plankton can be seen include Mosquito Bay, Puerto Rico. Known for having the highest concentration of bioluminescent plankton in the world, this bay glows brightly at night when disturbed by movement. Luminous Lagoon, Jamaica. The warm waters of the lagoon host glowing plankton that light up the water as boats pass through. Catalina Island, California. The waters around this island are home to bioluminescent plankton that can be seen on clear nights when the ocean is disturbed. Conclusion. A glow of survival, bioluminescent plankton are a testament to the ingenuity of nature. Through their glowing abilities, these tiny organisms have evolved a sophisticated survival mechanism that allows them to thrive in the vast, often dangerous expanse of the ocean. From defense to communication, camouflage, and attracting food, their light displays are an essential part of their existence in the deep blue world. Whether you're marveling at the glowing waves of a beach, exploring the depths of the ocean, or studying the delicate balance of marine ecosystems, the glowing plankton's light is a beautiful reminder of the secrets that lie beneath the surface of our planet.